Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2021 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. To start, first you want to remove the glove box. To do that, open it and then you will notice two black tabs here on the side, one on this side, one on the opposite side. You just want to press it in and gently lower the glove box. Ideally you would do this with both hands at the same time, but it's doable like this as well. And once that is done, the glove box is only being held down here at a couple of spots. You don't have to do anything special, just pull the glove box straight towards yourself and completely remove it. And here you will get access to the cabin air filter just behind this cover. Okay, now to remove the cover, there are two clips, one on the left side again, one on the right side. Just want to get behind that clip and pull it towards yourself. Not sure if I'll be able to record, but okay, you see, this one is loose. Now same thing here, just get behind with your finger and unclip it and it will just pop off. And here is the air filter. Now one important thing, you see the airflow arrow is going down, so this is the airflow direction. So when you're installing the new filter, always make sure that the arrow is pointing down. And now to remove the filter, just want to pull it straight out, right? That's it. This is a brand new filter. I'm just using this vehicle to demonstrate how to do it. So when you're removing it, pull it all the way out. When you have a new one, just insert it back in and put back everything together. Very easy to do. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.